Happy Tuesday. So today we're going to be working on an escape room game, which should be kind of fun and exciting and something a little bit different. So always remember the 3 steps. So yesterday we only did step 1 and step 2. Some of these you'll be doing step 1, 2, and 3. So you have to read them carefully. So step 1 is to change your percent to a decimal. Step 2, you're going to multiply so you can find the percent of that number. It tells you either the discount or the taxes. And then step 3, we're going to go ahead and take the original cost. If it's a discount, we'll subtract. And if it's a tax or tip, we're going to add. So once we click on the escape room activity, it automatically opens you up into a new window. So there's nothing else that you need to do. It says, can you unlock all 5 locks? Now, I'm not doing 5 locks for you guys. I think I only did 4. Type your name. So you're going to put your name. Please make sure you put your real name on there because this goes directly to me, so I don't have to worry about AJ or a nickname. All right, so the first thing is the 20% tip on a meal. So the first thing we're going to do, step 1, we're going to change this percent to a decimal. That's what we always do first. Let's go ahead and do that. So 20% as a decimal is 0.20. Now we know that. Step 2, so we did number 1. Step 2, we're going to go ahead and multiply. So we have 0.20 times 42, because this is going to tell us our tip. So take out your calculator, and now we have our calculators out, and we're just going to go ahead and look and do 0.20 times 42. Great, so $8.40. $8.40 is going to be what? It's asking for the tip. It tips $8.40. There goes A. So I'm going to go ahead and put here my answer choice, capital A. Okay, let's go to the next one. The price paid for on an $120 bookshelf after a 20% discount is applied. Okay, so we need to do all 3 steps because we need the price after the discount is applied. So step 1, we're going to go ahead and change that percent to a decimal. So it's 0.20 or 0.2. Step 2, we're going to multiply 0.20 times the price of the bookshelf, which is $120. Okay, let's go ahead and get our calculator out, and we have our 0.20 times 120. So it's $24. So that's our total. Our total is $24. We're going to put $24. Now, what is it? $24 is our discount. So now we know, since it's a discount, we're going to take the original cost, which is $120, and minus our discount, $24, equals, get your calculator out again, and do 120 minus 24. $96, because they're asking the price paid after the discount, so E. Okay, and let's go ahead and go to the next one. $6% state income tax on a $40,000 salary. All right, so they're asking what is that? Change that to a decimal. Number 1, 0. Don't forget, it's going to be extra 0 for the 6. Okay, step 2, we're going to multiply 0.06 times 40,000. Get your calculators out. 40, 1, 2, 3, 4 times 0.06 equals 2,400. And they're not asking me for my so let's write that in. 2,400. They're just asking me what's my taxes. They're not asking me afterwards. So our taxes H. Do you notice that it's telling me keep trying? You can do it. All right, let's keep trying. Erase it. The total cost of a meal after a 20% tip is added. Okay, so we need our total. So now we're going to do all 3 steps. So we have change to a decimal. Step 2, multiply. So my recording is going to end soon, so I'm going to quickly do this. So we have 0.20 times 82. And if it's a tip, we're going to add. So that's $98.40. That's C. So we're going to put C here. And it allows me to unlock it and go to the next screen. So good luck, you guys.